tiny treasures and toys. Please subscribe.
Hello, neighbor. Come spend the day with me. I want to make the most out of my days, so I'm going to write down some goals. Goals are things that I want to accomplish. Goals. I can write down daily goals like eating healthy, and keeping my room tidy, because a clean room keeps a clean mind. I also want to spend time with my family. We love playing games together. You can also write goals for when you're older, like, I hope to own a dog one day. That way we can go and hike and walk together. I love to get outdoors and I love animals. I also think about what I want to be when I grow up. Maybe an inventor, and I can invent something cool that will make people's lives easier. Or maybe I can own a ranch and a farm and grow local organic foods. Daniel, it's snack time. Okay, Mom. I want to eat healthy. What's for snack? Oh, today is something very healthy, Daniel. It's seaweed. Seaweed has iodine, which is good for our bodies. Oh, yay, I love seaweed. Seaweed can be in these dried sheets, and it's crunchy and salty. Mmm. All of that salty seaweed's making me thirsty. I better go have some water, and then I'm going to tidy my room. My room's a bit of a mess. Earlier this morning when I woke up, I was building this wooden train set, but now it's time to clean it up. There, much tidier. Hi, Dad. Well, hello, Daniel. What are you doing? Well, I was going to fix this table. Did you want to help me? Oh, sure, that would be fun. I love to learn. Here's Dad's toolbox. There we go. Now we can use this table for games tonight. Oh, yay! That sounds great. Well, I think I accomplished all of my goals for today. My goals were to eat healthy, which I did, keeping my room tidy, I cleaned it up, and spending time with my family. And now it's time to play some family games with the cards. Meow! All right, tiny fans, did you see the kitty somewhere earlier in the video hiding? If not, you can go back and have a look. And thank you for coming to Tiny Treasures. Meow! Please subscribe to our videos. Goodbye! We sure hope you enjoyed our video today. We're here to ask our fans for some help. Did you know only 15% of our fans have subscribed to Tiny Treasures? So you can help us by pushing the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get recognized by YouTube when we gain subscribers. That way we can continue to make fun learning videos every single day. And for those fans who have already subscribed to our channel, a great big thank you.